Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update profile picture on Gmail, account customization step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account connected to your Gmail address. In Gmail, look at the top right corner for your current profile icon or initial letter. Click or tap that profile icon to open the account menu. Select Manage your Google account from the menu options. In the Google account page, choose the Personal Info tab. Scroll until you find the section labeled Profile or Basic Info depending on your device. Locate the photo or profile picture area in that section. Click or tap the current photo or the camera icon to start changing it. If asked, confirm that you want to edit your profile photo. Choose the option to upload a photo if you want to use an image from your device. Alternatively, choose Select from your photos if you want to pick one from Google Photos. Browse your folders and select a clear picture of your face for best results. Wait for the image to load into the editor screen. Use the crop tool to position your face in the center of the circle preview. Zoom in or out until the framing looks clean and professional. Rotate the image if it appears sideways or tilted. Check the preview to ensure your face is not cut off at the edges. Click Save as Profile Picture or Save to apply the change. Wait a few seconds while Google updates your account photo. Return to Gmail and refresh the page if you are on a computer. On mobile, close and reopen the Gmail app if the photo does not appear immediately. Confirm the new picture shows in the top right corner of Gmail. Remember that this photo may also appear in other Google services like Drive and Meet. If you do not want that, go back to your Google account settings and review visibility options. If you see the old image, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat the steps after switching to the correct account from the profile menu. For a polished look, use a well-lit image with a simple background and good resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.